Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. We are here on our Discord server. This is the section the gold members can see. I'm here looking at yesterday's Solana update. Solana was in our support zone yesterday. Here, that was before the Fed news pump. You can see here the microstructure could be considered complete. We also talked about it, I think roughly like that in yesterday's video. We had an A wave to the upside from this September low, a B wave pullback, which was an ABC flat correction. And then from here, we were watching for a C wave rally to the upside into resistance for the next decision point. And resistance is between $140.38 and $153. Now, my commentary around it was, this microstructure in wave B can be interpreted as a complete looking ABC flat correction. I'm watching for a reaction to micro support for an indication that wave C to the upside has started. Looking at the live chart, we can see that the market respected this support zone really well. Actually, we had a reaction to the golden ratio level at $127.41. So we're dealing with an A wave up, a B wave down, or rather sideways. Flat corrections are typically sideways corrections. And now we seem to be moving up in wave C of Y of B. So A, B, C. This C wave has a few ideal targets. So we should talk about that. So at the moment, I'm just exploring the idea of an ABC rally here. And the C wave can easily reach $146 next. That's the 100% extension. And then we have the 1.236 extension and the 1.38 extension as common levels. So we talk about $146. There's a cluster because when we draw the Fibonacci retracements, it's just another way of drawing, let's say, certain Fibonacci levels and, you know, coming up with resistances. We have the move down and the move up here is called an ABC structure. Okay. And this here, there is a retracement level, the golden ratio level at $145.46 that overlaps with the $146 level, the 100% extension. So there's a good overlap there of a couple of levels. Then we've got $151 and there's another cluster around $152, $154. So these are the next levels to watch to the upside. At the moment, there is absolutely no evidence that a top is in. I would not expect a top necessarily until we get to $146. There we can watch for it because this would be the 100% extension of the initial A wave to the upside, which was a 3-wave move. So typically what we do, we take the initial move up, compare it with the length of the C wave, and that is the 100% extension. For something more bullish, well, we would just need more evidence, okay? We would need minimally a break, I'd say, above resistance, so above $154, and possibly also above the yellow line here. That would help. That's going to be the next dynamic resistance level here around $161, and then $179.70 is another key level, and then 208. So these are the next levels. And we can easily say, as long as yesterday's low is holding, the market has a chance to get there. But we need to be ready for possible changes in direction in this resistance area. We've now arrived, again, at the destination, but from support into resistance. Now the next decision point is coming up. Maybe not quite yet. We can push a little bit higher. Then we have the trend line, another fib level, and the next one, okay? And at some point we have to say that the white count is less likely, but that will take a while. So it will take a while, really. You know, we have to drive on site here. It's not crystal clear, the structure, but the parameters are being respected. You can see that easily. You know, the market dipped into support. So first of all, we had a reaction to the major support level at 109. Then we had another reaction here to this support area. Price touched resistance for the first time here. Another reaction to support. Now we'll see if it reacts to resistance. And that is just an analysis of the micro, obviously. At the moment, one more low for a larger wave 4 in white is absolutely probable. But as we go along and hold support levels, probabilities may shift towards a more directly bullish interpretation, but we're far away from that. Zoomed out, the movements that we see here on the micro level are really not that relevant because we haven't even broken above the first resistance area. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.